Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Decktopus AI. So Decktopus AI is a AI tool that helps you make PowerPoint presentation by using AI. So you don't have to do the actual, editing, information gathering, and create creative artwork or like any visuals. It does it automatically for you. So to use this, of course, we need to log in first. You're just gonna click in on login. You're just gonna choose your account, or if you're gonna create an account, I just use a Google ID because it's easier. Then after that, you'll be presented in this, home menu. So you want to click on create AI. So write any topics here. Let's say quick guide, quick introduction to matter. There we go. Educational. We're gonna pick if what category. We're gonna pick educational, of course. We're just going to skip these documents right here. You can add documents for better information. So you can modify the outline without changing it right here. As you can see here are the topics that we have based on the main topic that I gave. Then we're just gonna choose what format or what style we want. So I'm just gonna choose creative. We're gonna generate this presentation and we're gonna wait for it. So I don't have that much AI credit, but you need to get the pro monthly access to get some AI credits. But for now, yeah, guys, that's how you use Decktopus AI. So my tips and tricks here, I think if you are going to use this, in educational wise, or like if you're a teacher, it's much easier to get the annual if you're going to make a lot of PowerPoints, and you can cancel anytime, of course. And also, if you just want monthly, if you are a substitute or something like that, and you're just gonna use it for like 2 months, you can just use monthly for a lot cheaper, because annual is gonna calculate $14 or like $15 on time installed. So that would be really really big. So if you're just gonna use it monthly, just use the monthly plan. So yeah, guys, that's how you generate a presentation in Decktopus AI. Unfortunately, I cannot create mine because I don't have enough points, but that's how you use the software. And yeah, guys, that is our tutorial for today. That's how you can use Decktopus AI. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.